If you are struggling to get clients on the internet as a web designer, this video is for you. Each time I post my web design clients or jobs I've done, I get a lot of DMs. Faith, how do I get clients on the internet? So I'm going to show you how you can use Google to find Instagram clients. So this is a step that you can take right away and get your first web design client using Google. If these are things you love, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future valuable videos. I am Faith Ambole. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. On this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. And I also build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. Let's get right into it. So to find Instagram clients on Google, there are 4 simple steps you must follow. The first step is to search for an Instagram business on Google. As soon as you find a business, then you are going to look out for 4 things. You're going to look out for businesses that have huge followers. So you're going to look for their website. You want to check if they have a website. If they don't have, they are good. Or if they have an existing website but it is not active, they are also the best fit where you can actually pitch a website design for them or redesign for them. Next thing you can check is the engagement they get. If they get a lot of engagement, it simply means that that person or that business owner has built an audience that actually buy from him or her. And then you are going to look at how much comments are they getting. If they post their business on Instagram, how much comments are they getting? People asking, how much do you sell? I want to buy. You want to check all of this. As soon as you find the business, that is step 2. Then you are going to get their contact, which is the email contact. As soon as you get their email contact, then you are going to send them an email, which is the 4th step you're going to take. So we're going to practicalize that right away. I'm going to paste this here. You're going to search for any business. Just go to Google. I can say Instagram fashion vendors Nigeria. You can search in UK, you can search in US or Dallas, wherever you are. So we have seen this particular business here has 30k followers. 30k followers is okay. This one has 38. You can decide to look for the ones that have up to 50 and above. This is perfect. This particular business has what? 342k followers. This is a good business. For someone to grow to such extent, it means they must be selling. They are likely going to afford your pay. We're going to open this one again. This one has 136k followers. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. We're going to go straight to the point. So this one has 60k followers. I'll open this in a new tab. So you can scroll and search. If you want to see more, just go to page 2. You want to see, because Google indexes Instagram pages or Instagram profiles. You can decide to look for all of this, and you might also want to look for these particular businesses that are ranking here. Let's go to page 1. So you can decide to go for these ones too. So but let me start with these ones that have huge followers. So we are going to decline cookie. This business, do they have a website? So I want to check, but then you have to log in. I'm not logged into this particular browser. Then you're going to look at it. Can you see that I don't think they have a website? If you look at it here, they don't have a website from their profile, but then you have to log in and check. But from all indication, I don't think they have. So let's look at this one. From their profile, I can't find any of this, but you can go to their comment section to see if they have this. They have a lot of likes. This one has a lot of likes and comments. So let me look at this one too. This one is getting a lot of comments. Can you see a lot of comments in their posts? So you can do all of that. Just open them in Instagram. I'm not opening them on Instagram because I'm not logged in here, but I can get an overview of what their business is. So let me look at this one. Look at the email here. So I'm going to copy this email here. I'm going to copy everything about this business here. So I want to copy their email. As you can see, this is their email. So I'm going to copy it. Remember, you're going to send them an email. So I copy this in this. I paste it here. What is their business all about? This is the name of their business. Make sure you get an overview of everything the business does, because if you're sending a pitch and you do not personalize it, it will look generic, right? This is their name on Instagram. What other information do I need from them? This is recommendations, vendor places. Okay, they are on Instagram. I don't want to log in. So let's look at this business as well. What is their email? If they do not have email, if you log in, you'll be able to get an overview, but I don't want to log in. So I'm going to use the one I was able to get their email. Let's see if this one we can find their email. If you cannot find their email here, you can also copy the name, go to Facebook, search for them, copy the name DT Clothing, go to Facebook, search for their name, you will see their email. You will be able to email them. I'm going to take this to ChatGPT. So I've gotten the business name, what they sell clothing. This particular business sells what? This is whitebuttons.ng, women clothing. They sell women clothing and they ship worldwide. So I don't want to sign up here. It will want me to sign up and I don't want to do that. So but I'm going to go with this one that doesn't have. So we're going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to open a new chat. You can tell ChatGPT I found an Instagram. I found an Instagram business clothing business that do not have a website. The name of the brand is, so I copy the brand name. I want to copy this. Let's go back to ChatGPT. This is where we're going to get things done. Write me a pitch deck I can send as an email pitching web design to them. So let's quickly do this. I just made this up, but then you can refine it to get good prompts. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us. All right, this is superb. As you can see, ChatGPT has done this for us. As you can see, hello, the Fraggle Babe team, right? I hope you're doing well. I recently came across your Instagram clothing brand and I love the aesthetic, blah 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 blah. I noticed you're currently selling exclusively through Instagram without a dedicated website. I would love to propose an opportunity to help you elevate your brand with custom e-commerce website designed. As you know, below is a brief overview of what a website can do. Can you see what I can build for you? And this is perfect. Can actually go ahead to use Lovable to actually design this e-commerce website. Attach the link below this email and send to them. And I've done a video on this channel on how to use Lovable for free to build a full functional website. You might decide to get that particular video on my channel, watch it, then you can attach the link here. When you're pitching them, make sure you are professional. You can copy this, go to your email, copy their email, then send this to them. So let's quickly copy their email. Just copy their email. Go to my Gmail and show you how this thing is done. Right. So I want to click on compose. Click on compose, right? So I'm going to paste their email. As soon as I paste the email, you're going to copy the subject. Let's go to ChatGPT. So I'm going to bring this closer here. So let me copy the particular subject that's given me. I copy this, put in the subject. Make sure you make changes to it so you don't copy, or you can tell ChatGPT to summarize this, right? Copy this. I'm going to copy this. So let me copy this and paste it here. So I'm going to paste this here and then I will customize it. Can you see? So this is the email. I want to remove this. I've removed those lines. You can actually do this. So it's something anybody can do. Can you see? Then you come here and put your name. My name is Faith. Then website designer, contact information. I can put my website here, www.faithamole.com. So this is my email, this is my name, Faith. Looking forward to this. Can you see? So this is sounding like AI, but then next step, I would love to schedule a 5-minute call. Let's see how it goes. So this is a perfect this. Let's say you have an already made website you would want them to check out. Just put the link here. They will look at it and then they will be interested. And I also do a video on this channel on how to use Lovable to create e-commerce websites that you can resell to e-commerce business owners, so they won't be able to reject. So this is the business. What I will do now, I will do what, if you look at the whole thing and you love it, the next thing you can do is to just make sure, take your time to format this to fit what you want. So I want to clear this up, what a website can do for you. So let's see. So this is basically what you can do. I can actually make this bold. Formatting option. I want to remove this. So I've removed this. Can format the way you want. Can you see? Then the next thing you will do is click on send. I'm going to send this right away. Let me go to my sent button and see if it has been delivered. Look at it. I've sent this is the email I sent to them. Can you see? So this is how to pitch them. If you don't hear from them, you can actually follow them up and send them a follow-up email. Tell ChatGPT to give you a follow-up email. Give me a 3-day follow-up email. 3-day follow-up email. So it's going to write a follow-up email. You can write to them, sorry. Can you see? So it will write day 1 for you. If you do not hear from them for quite some time, you can actually follow them up, write them email till you are able to hear from them. If you don't hear from them, just forget about it. Look for another business. You can pick 3 businesses like this and pitch them. And if you can do this in a month, send to 10 businesses every single month, there is no way they will not hire you. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to find clients on Facebook, how to find clients on LinkedIn. So if you want me to do a video teaching you how to find clients on this particular social media platforms, please type it in the comment section and say, Faith, teach me how to find clients on Facebook, on Instagram, any platform, and I will do a dedicated video and teach you how I personally find clients. So if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video.